Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your TikTok FYP, or also called your For You page. If you don't like the algorithm and what it's feeding to you on the normal page of TikTok, you can always reset that on your iPhone or Android. I'll show you exactly how to do that. First, just tap on the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android. Tap on Profile at the bottom right. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right. Tap on Activity Center midway down. And first tap on Watch History at the top. You can see your entire watch history. Tap Select at the top right. Tap Select All Watch History at the bottom left. And then just tap Delete and then Delete. Now you've deleted out your watch history. Let's also delete your search history before resetting that feed. Tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap Search History. Tap Select at the top right. And same as before, tap Select All Search History at the bottom left. And then tap Delete and then Delete. Now let's reset that feed in the settings of TikTok. Tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap the back arrow again. Tap on Settings and Privacy, or if you don't see that, tap on the three lines at the top right, and then tap on Settings Privacy. At the top, tap on Content Preferences, and then tap on Reset or Refresh your For You feed midway down. Tap on Start at the bottom center, and then tap on Go to Your Feed. You can exit out of here and just tap Go to Your For You feed, and you can swipe down, and as you swipe down, it will refresh that For You feed and completely reset it and ignore your entire history. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like it as well. Thanks, guys.